This model kit reviews of the Mitsubishi FS-T2 Kai, and this is one of the modern Japanese fighter jets, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Hasegawa. And let's have a look at the rest of the box here. Here's a picture of the finished model with the dimensions, and let's have a look inside. A number of sprues here. So first of all, we have our clear plastic sprue, and we have several different pieces to go together for the canopy. Looks like fairly well molded. That's typical Hasegawa quality. Good level of detail. Here are the panels, probably for the inside of the cockpit. Here's our instrument panel, also with some good surface detail. And let's have a look at the rest of these screws. So there's a good level of detail here, lots of surface detail, recessed panel lines, recessed rivet lines, all very well molded. Little details here on the inside of the wheel wells, it looks like. Here's our air intake. I don't see anything inside of here, but we have our pylons inside of the wheel wells. These are all fairly well molded. Here's our air intake. Let's have a look at the other side here. Also, here's the other side of the air intake, nose, and the fuselage. Also, same as the other side, all very well molded. Not much detail on the inside there. Here's the wing, and here's the other wing. Those will go together there. Good level of detail here. All recessed lines. Same with the top of the wing. That really is very, very well molded. Here's our stabilizer elevator, some pylons, nicely molded. Here we have our cockpit with some not much detail, but we saw that earlier where those pieces are going to be. Here are the extra details. Instrument panel. We have pilot figure. We have ejection seat pieces here. Here we have our wheels and fuel tanks, engine pieces, exhausts, landing gear, and so on. Here's another one. Looks like the exact same. All very well molded. Here's our main gear. Looks like we've already got some air brakes here, our nose gear, and look at the detail on that. It is just so well molded and clean. Air brake panels are there, nose wheel well there. Here's our decal sheet. Lots of good detail here. Nice decals for our instrument panel. Just really, really good quality, and very well printed. Here's our instructions. First of all, we start off with the parts listing. Colors. And we have our cockpit being put into the fuselage. Fuselage goes together with some extra body pieces, air intakes. Then the wings are built, including the tail stabilizer and some additional body panels, and air brakes, exhausts. Gear gets put in, then the pylons and tanks, and then our canopy. Here's our painting and decal guide. All in all, this is a very well made model. A good level of detail both in the molding and the decals. Typical Hasegawa quality.